Hello everyone, this is Cybercoder and welcome to this video. Today, as you read in the title and probably the thumbnail as well, we're going to host a Minecraft server locally. Now, this is the first part of 3 planned parts. In this part we're just going to learn how to host the server locally. Next one we're going to learn all the different commands and settings you can adjust for the server, and in the third we are going to host it so anyone that has the server IP can join. Now that's a little bit complicated, but we'll probably manage. But now, first part, we are going to download this and just get it running so we can join it from our own PC. Alright, so what we have to do is go over to minecraft.net/ you can probably see this address or domain. I'll leave a link for this in the description. So when you come to this domain, go here and you'll see download Minecraft server jar thing here. Just click it and it'll start downloading. Now it should be done any sec. Let's just wait and wait and wait any second. Come on. Okay, so now it says that this type of file can damage the computer, but just ignore this because this is the original and the official domain of Minecraft, should I say. Sorry for that. But yeah, the official domain. So don't worry, just press keep and you'll be good. Now you'll also need Java, so go to java.com and download Java. You need it, you can't do this without Java. I'll leave a link for this as well in the description below. Okay, so when you've downloaded the Minecraft server, you are going to go to your desktop. Ignore the big mess here. I will clean it up sometime, I promise. But okay, just go to new folder and name it like Minecraft server. The name doesn't really matter. And then we're going to just let me show you. Just drag the server into here. Alright? And if you have installed Java like you should, it should say Java archive here as type. And now I'm going to rename the server to like let's see, rename Minecraft server, like that. Next, right click and create a new text document and name it start. Name doesn't really mean that much, but a start is pretty clear what it does. When open it up and then go back to minecraft.net and copy this line right here. And paste it in the start file. Java basically means that it's in Java language. This and this is how much RAM your or Java can take for your Minecraft server. So right now it's 1 GB. This and this, so the difference between these two are that this one is the minimum amount that it must use, and this is the maximum amount it can use. If you make this any higher, I'd recommend you keep these the same. So if you make them higher, you just keep them the same. Then jar, this is the file type that the server is, and then this is the server name. So I rename mine to Minecraft server. We don't have this part, so just remove it. And this no GUI, I don't really know what it is, but just keep it in there, alright? Cool. Okay, so now what you have to do is go to archive, just save it normally first, and then go to save as, and make it, and save it as start.bat. Alright, this is very important, you need to have it start.bat. Now BAT stands for batch file. And what that just basically starts up the whole server. You'll see what I mean. So just make it start.bat and hit save. Now you can just close this, we won't need that anymore. Now you can see it created a new start thing here. So now just double click it. And like that. Now I realized that we forgot one thing, so let's see. Just delete this file, open this up again, and go a line down and add pause, so we can see what the error is when we start the server, because elsewise it'll just close down as you just saw. That's my bad. Add pause here, save, and then again save as start.bat. Alright? Okay, so far so good. Then just double click this again. Let's see. And now you can see you need to agree to the EULA in order to run the server. Go to eula.txt for more info. Okay, just hit any key and it'll close down. Maybe. Yeah, oh Christ, yeah. Okay, so as you saw, it wanted us to go to eula.txt, so here we have eula.txt. Now you need to read this EULA, because everyone reads terms and service agreements all the time, alright? Very important. I know you read it all the time, and now you have more reading for the night. So yeah, read through this, and yeah, then when you have done that, just do this EULA equals true, alright? Then save it off and try starting the server again. So let's see. Now it's checking everything, and as you can see, now it starts loading stuff. Now it's loading world. This will take a bit of time the first time, so just leave this and I'll get back to you as soon as mine has completed. Okay, so that took around a minute or something, half a minute. If it takes longer than that, don't worry. If it starts taking like half an hour, then you can start worrying, because then you have probably done something wrong. But somewhere in between the half a minute to 5 minute range is completely normal. Okay, so when it started up, you can basically join it. So start up your Minecraft, go to Minecraft launcher and launch it up. Like that, Minecraft Java Edition. It should load up any second. Make it full screen as well, or windowed. Don't ask why I play on windowed mode. And then you can just go to multiplayer, add server, and here in server address you are probably familiar to putting in something like test.minecraft.net or something like that. But now we can't do that because we're just hosting this on our computer and it's not hooked up to the internet, so to say. So what you have to put into the server address is localhost, like that, and then done. And then you can just join it. like that, and now you have joined your own Minecraft server that you have hosted on your PC. That wasn't that hard, right? And as you can see, if we open up this is where everything logs. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Now if you want to do cool stuff, like for example, you want to go into creative mode, then you'd probably do like game mode creative or something. As you can see, we can't do that. And you're probably thinking as well, shouldn't we be able to do whatever we want on our own servers? Yes. We just have to do a small command in here. Just do op your name. I think mine is this, and that should be it. Or perhaps it isn't. Op. Like that. You need to put a slash as well. Okay, so now we are server operated then. So now we can do game mode creative if we want. And now we can fly around. That's pretty cool. Okay, so next time, everyone, we're going to go through these let's see, different server settings that you can do. Open with and notepad, so we can change all of this, like difficulty, if it should spawn monsters, time, tick, ports, game mode, everything you can imagine. So we'll go through most of these next time. Some of them aren't really that important. We'll just go through the ones that you probably want to learn about. But congratulations, you have now made and hosted your own server, and now at the moment your friends can't log into it because, as I said, you have not opened a port in your Wi-Fi and stuff. Like, it's a complicated process hosting a server so everyone can join it, but we'll get through it eventually when I decide to make that part. But for now, this is everything you have to know. Or actually, when you want to stop the server, it's very important that when you do, you don't close it by clicking the X up in the corner. Now it accidentally crashed here. I know why, but it's very important that when you close it off, you type stop. Okay, apparently not. Let me show you. Start it up. It's a lot more quicker when it has already been loaded up once. So just wait for a second and see, going pretty quick. 0%, indeed, very quick. 95%, 96%. Okay, so when you want to stop the server, you need to do stop like that, because else your server data can get lost, and that wouldn't be good at all. So yeah, just remember to do stop when you don't want to, or sorry, when you want to stop the server. So that's all you have to know for today. We'll go through these things next time, as I said. And yeah, subscribe, a like, it keeps me motivated making these videos. Join the giveaway in my previous video, you can check it out, link in the description and maybe in the top right corner, I don't know, maybe, if I remember to add it. But yeah, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!